I just dropped my phone. Oh my god. Look. Look. I'm proud of myself. I don't care if I'm literally sick in my bed right now. Look what I did. Yay. Yay. Oh my god, I sound sick. Oh my god, I don't care if I'm currently fighting the worst cold in my life. I got 103 subscribers. Yay.